live. Yeah, I'm here to welcome you all to my live and talk about what is going to be happening tonight at BP Highway Lounge. Yeah, BP Highway Lounge Gulu, that's Buganda Pub Highway Lounge. We are going to be having the Ballistic Saturdays happening tonight. So if you're my friend out there, you're a big supporter of Into Deep Promotions, make sure you come through and we have a great time together. We shall be having great music mixes playing back to back from DJ Philbert and DJ Rams. And MC Pato will be doing the hype. It's gonna be a blast tonight. To everyone who is joining the live, I want to say big up on yourself and thank you so much for joining. Yeah, you can as well leave down a comment down below and let me know where you're watching this live from. Otherwise, it's all about the Ballistic Saturdays tonight happening at BP Highway Lounge, Gulu, Buganda Pub. It's gonna be so much fun. We're going to have a blast tonight. As I said earlier on, the VIP lounge is very, very organized and well set for tonight. The bar is fully stocked with all your favorite drinks. If you're someone who loves to play pool, you're a lover of pool, yeah, you can as well come and shoot with the guys you're gonna get there. We have some good guys who can shoot pool at BP Highway Lounge. So if you're coming through, make sure you're strong enough to beat them. Otherwise, they'll knock you 7 balls straight. So let us. So I look forward to seeing you guys tonight at BP Highway Lounge. Come through. Let us have a great time together. To every one of you who is supporting Into Deep Promotions, thank you so much for the massive love and support. We have actually managed to make it to close to 100K subscribers. Actually, we are now having 98,000, and very soon we shall be getting to 100K subscribers, which is going to be a very big milestone for us. Thank you so much, guys, for always supporting Into Deep Promotions. Tonight, I will be hosting the Ballistic Saturdays at BP Highway Lounge, Gulu. So we shall be having great mixes from DJ Philbert, DJ Rams, and MC Pato will be hosting the night and will be giving the vibes. So make sure you come through and we have a great time together at BP Highway Lounge. The bar is fully stocked with all your favorite drinks. Yeah. uh, So I look forward to seeing you guys tonight at BP Highway Lounge in Gulu City. Come through. Let us have a great time together. Yeah, the pool tables, for those of you who like to play pool, make sure you come strong. Come strong. Because if you're not, you may go back with 7 balls because the guys we have here are too good. So that is for the pool lovers. Come through and enjoy the game of pool at the VIP section. The bar is fully stocked with all your favorite drinks, and we are ready to give you a VIP treat tonight. So, all roads in Gulu City will be leading to BP Highway Lounge. Yeah, for the Ballistic Saturdays. And I am going to be your host for tonight alongside DJ Philbert and DJ Rams, playing you your best songs back to back. And then MC Pato will be doing the hype. I look forward to seeing you tonight at BP Highway Lounge. Big up to everyone who is joining. Adia, Adia, hi, how are you doing? All the way from India. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Gabas, all the way from Germany. Thank you so much for always supporting my channel. On my channel here, I normally do entertainment content. So if you go on my shorts, you'll see a lot of videos whereby entertaining videos from musicians, dancers, it's just a lot. Live band performances. So make sure that uh, you keep it locked here and you don't go away. Yeah, Gada Bowman, hello, how are you doing? Big up on yourself wherever you're watching from. Thank you guys so much for supporting Into Deep Promotions YouTube channel and other social platforms of mine. I want to say big up for the massive love and support. Yeah, you can share this live or tap on the screen to like the live so that it gets to reach very many people out there. Yeah, I'll also be sharing for you activities that happen at BP Highway Lounge on my YouTube channel here. Mostly performances from your favorite artists, dancers, comedians, just a lot. So, thank you once again for the love and support you have always shown to my channel here. And then for those of you who are always supporting me with super stickers, I want to say thank you so much. You guys have pushed my channel to the next level. Otherwise, wishing you all a wonderful Saturday. I look forward to seeing you guys tonight at BP Highway Lounge. Thank you so much.